guys, no? Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, tuturuan ko kayo paano kumita sa site na to. Tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano mag-sign up. Ilagay nyo po yung mobile number. Lagay nyo po yung login password. Security password. Then, lagay nyo po yung invitation code. Nilalagay nyo yung 4 na letters po dito. Iatas nyo po dito. Then, click nyo po yung sign up. So yun guys, no? Nandito na po tayo sa site na trx.chat. Meron po silang latest announcement guys. Latest announcement, Professional Mining Integrity Company, the only official link, TRX.chat, code, register, corporate law white paper, TRX.chat, TRX, BEK, PDF, Telegram group chat, T.me, TRX, BEK.com. Please click on the link, contact the official staff, World Customer Service, T.me, TRX, BEK. The profit model is based on the daily calculation of load data collection miners in your TRX chat account. The profit model of the base account is the profit earned by miners. Calculating data for you, you put into the base account the system assigned into your basic. Collects statistic on the miners work for you and earn 5% of their income every day. Cumulative deposit 5 to 29,929 TRX minimum daily income 5%. Cumulative deposit 30,000 to 999,000 TRX minimum daily income 6%. Cumulative deposit 100,000 to 299,000 TRX minimum daily income 7%. Cumulative deposit 300,000 to 999,000 TRX minimum daily income 8%. Cumulative deposit 1 million to 1,900,000 TRX minimum daily income 9%. Accumulative savings exceed 10% of 12 million thousand TRX daily income minimum. Referral rewards is referral level 1 referral deposit, you will get 13% commission. When you refer a second referral deposit, you can get 6% commission. Recommended level 3 offline recharge and get 2% commission. It is recommended to deposit 100 TRX at level 1 to 13 TRX commission. Recommended level 2 offline recharge 100 TRX, you can get 6 TRX commission. Recommended level 3 offline recharge 100 TRX to get to 2 TRX commission. Promotional commission will be credited to your account in real time and funds will be withdrawn to your wallet without restriction. So yun guys, no, meron tayong total balance na 5,000 TRX. So yun guys, napupunta po tayo sa trading. Trading profit 24 hours. Settlement. Cloud mining is working plus 5%. So yan guys, no, pupunta tayo dito sa product list. Meron tayo dito ng TRX 7 days plan. Only once. Daily rate 2%, cycle 7 days. TRX 30 days investment project, daily rate 3%, cycle 30 days. TRX 60 days investment project, daily rate 5%, cycle 60 days. TRX 90 days investment project, daily rate 6%, cycle 90 days. TRX 180 days investment project, 5% and 180 days. So yun guys, no, nandito tayo sa share. Invite your contacts or friends in and rewards. So yun guys, no, kakapin natin yung link dito guys. Then send natin sa mga kakilala natin sa social media, sa Instagram or Messenger para maka-earn tayo ng rewards. So yun guys, no, dito nga tayo sa mine guys. Meron tayong total balance 0 TRX 5,000 BEK. So guys, meron tayong deposit dito. May withdrawal din po. Then TRX deposit quantity, recharge 200 TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal function. So, click natin tong deposit. Meron tayong 2 types dito guys. Meron tayong transfer to basic account, transfer to promotion account. Investment is divided into 2 modes. Number 1, recharge to the basic account and receive income according to the Singapore time zone after 24 hours every day. Number 2, recharge into promotion account. You can receive income according to different cycles to return the principal, income, upon maturity. View notes before investing. Please choose a basic account or a promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be charged. This is very critical issue. So yun guys, no, click natin itong transfer to basic account. Tayo kung transfer to basic account, click natin itong copy address. So yun guys, no, pagkatapos ng i-copy address, pupunta tayo sa Binance. So yun guys, no, nandito nga tayo sa Binance. So paano nga ba tayo makakawin dito guys? So click natin tong wallets. So yun nga guys, no, pag-click natin ng wallets guys, meron tayo ditong 3 types: deposit, withdraw, transfer. So click po natin yung withdraw. Dito po natin yung TRX. Click natin yung send via crypto network. Then long press po natin yung kinapin natin sa site na link. Then lagay po natin dito yung minimum. So guys, pagkatapos na lagay ng fill up nito, click po natin yung withdrawal. Then, click natin guys yung confirm. So guys, pag ganito nangyari guys, I fully understand the potential risk associated with asset withdrawal and confirm that I would like to continue withdrawing my assets. So, click natin tong check. Then, click po natin yung confirm. So yan guys, no, meron tayong verification dito. Yung code will be sent to sa number natin guys, sa cellphone number natin. Pag mag-send po siya sa message natin. Then ito guys, yung code will be sent to Bulan Gmail po, sa mismong Gmail po natin guys. So click po natin yung dalawang send code. So yun guys, no, nalagay na po natin dito yung code natin na galing sa number natin tsaka Gmail natin guys. So pwede na po natin submit ito. So yun guys, no, request is submitted na po guys. Napaka-legit po talaga ito to guys. Ano pang hihintay nyo guys, mag-sign up na po kayo para kumita na po kayo kumita na po kayo. Then guys, no, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated po kayo sa lalabas ko ng mga video.